Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Chargebee for SaaS recurring revenue management, detailed guide step by step clearly. Locate the Get Started or Sign Up button on the home page. Click on this button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a sign-up form. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Choose a strong password that meets Chargebee's security criteria. After filling in your details, look for the option to select a subscription plan. Chargebee usually offers various plans tailored to different business needs. Select the plan that best fits your SaaS business requirements. Once you have selected a plan, click on the Continue or Next button. You may be prompted to provide additional business details. This information typically includes your company name, website, and billing address. Fill in the required fields accurately to ensure a smooth process. After entering your business information, review your selected plan and pricing. Make sure to check for any promotional offers or discounts available. Next, you will need to provide your payment information. Enter your credit card details or select an alternative payment method if offered. Carefully review all entered information for accuracy. You should now receive a confirmation email from Chargebee. Open the email and follow any further instructions provided. Log into your new Chargebee account using the credentials you created. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features available. Set up your business profile and billing settings as needed. Start configuring your products and pricing plans within the platform. Utilize Chargebee's resources and knowledge base for additional support. Begin managing your recurring revenue with Chargebee's tools and features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.